Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can edit video using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have installed InShot application on your mobile phone. And then after you have installed this application, you can open it. And basically, we can use InShot video editor to edit photo or video. And today I'm going to show you how we can use the InShot to edit our video. You can select video to create new project and then select new. Okay, and you can choose a video you want to edit using InShot. For example, I'm going to edit this video and I'm going to add this video to my project. Alright, and we can change the ratio guys. Go to the canvas if you want to change the ratio. I'm just going to select this ratio. Okay, and then we can use the editing tools in the InShot. As you can see, we have a lot of tools right here. You can scroll all the way to the right to get more tools. Okay, for example, if you want to speed up or slow down your video, you can go to the speed menu and you can go right or go left to change the speed. I'm going to make it faster, so I'm going to go right and click on the check mark. Okay, and you can adjust the volume by clicking on the volume icon, and you can adjust the volume like this, and you'll be able to split your video and cut your video. If you want to split, just go to the split. Okay, or you can tap and hold on your video like this and trim the video. Okay, and then you can apply filter or animation to your video. I'm going to go to the filter, and here we will get a lot of filter for our video. I'm just going to choose vintage, and if you want to adjust lightness, contrast, or saturation, you can adjust it right here. And I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the effect we can use on InShot. Go to the effect or AI effect. Okay, here we have a lot of effects guys, and I'm going to choose tremble. Okay, and I'm going to show you the AI effect as well. For the AI effect, I'm going to choose magic, and I'm going to choose bubble. Okay, and I'm going to click on the check mark, and if you want to make it align with your video, you just need to drag it like this, right? And this is the result. Okay guys, and you can add music to your video. Just go to the audio if you want to add music or voice over, and you'll be able to add text as well. And if you want to export it, you can click on export, and then you can choose the resolution. And as you can see, we have resolution up to 4K. Just click on 4K to get best quality, and you can choose the format as well. And once you're ready to export it, you just need to click on export, and the video will be saved to your gallery. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit video using InShot video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.